Can a simple gear knob really transform the feel of a 20-year-old car? This upgrade promises to bring modern precision back to the early Seat Leon, and honestly, the difference is immediately noticeable. We are looking at a replacement gear stick and boot specifically designed for the Seat Leon 2000 and 2001 models, available in both 5 and 6-speed configurations. The first thing that strikes you is the ergonomics. The manufacturer claims a smooth, precision-engineered design, and holding it, you feel that comfortable, non-slip grip immediately. It's designed to reduce fatigue, which is a huge plus if you spend a lot of time in stop-and-go traffic. This isn't just about comfort, it's about durability. They used high-quality, scratch-resistant materials here. It feels robust, not flimsy like some generic replacements you find online. The sleek finish really elevates the interior, blending that necessary functionality with a much-needed aesthetic upgrade for an older vehicle. Performance is key for a shift knob, and this one is engineered for responsive action. The non-slip surface gives you confidence, ensuring crisp, accurate gear changes. It feels lightweight enough not to drag, but sturdy enough to handle aggressive shifting. While the description mentions a versatile fit, the specific compatibility with the early Leon models is where this product shines, ensuring a hassle-free, direct installation. If you own one of these classic Leons and your original knob is looking tired or feeling sloppy, this is a fantastic, practical upgrade. It merges that necessary reliability with a modern flair. It's a small change that delivers a surprisingly big impact on your daily driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.